Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. We are back with another application guide video. In this application guide video, we're going to give you details about an amazing online course by Coursera, The Fundamentals of Social Media Marketing. The social media marketing course is a step towards learning advertising on social media platforms. This course gives you detailed knowledge about paid advertising and its platforms. In addition, you will learn to develop creative ads for your Facebook and Instagram accounts. This will help you work with design teams by understanding brief creative ads, privacy policies, and platforms worth displaying your ads. By the end of this course, you will have to make a creative ad, then your ad will be delivered to a designated team. You will also get a chance to create your first social media ad. The course will be delivered in English, but will have subtitles in Arabic, French, Portuguese, and many other languages. There is no specific eligibility criteria for this online course. Learners do not need any previous marketing or advertising experience. They just need to have basic knowledge of the internet and how to use their computers, and they must be interested in learning management and creation of social media advertisements. The benefits of the social media marketing online course: determining why and when to invest in paid advertising on social media, understanding the anatomy of a social media advertisement, differing social media ads from organic posts, evaluate platforms to run social media ad campaigns, making an effective ad, collaborating effectively with others through brief creative advertisements, functional understanding of data, database advertising and privacy protection, and using Instagram stories effectively to connect with others. To apply for this online course, click on the link given in the description section of the video, and after clicking on the link you will be redirected to this page. You have to scroll down towards the application process section and click on Apply Now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the Fundamentals of Social Media Advertising Coursera webpage. You can check the details about the course, what you will learn in the course, skills you will gain, details about your instructors, and this course is offered by Facebook. You can click on Syllabus to check the syllabus that you will be studying in this course. In Week 1, Introduction to Social Media Advertising, there are 13 videos for a total of 52 minutes, 6 readings and 2 quizzes. In Week 2, you will learn creative effective ads on social media. In Week 3, you will learn about the data, privacy and policies on social media. In Week 4, you'll learn getting started with advertising on Facebook and Instagram. Click on Show More. And Week 5 will be about create a creative brief for your social media advertisement. You can also check the reviews about this course by other users. You can also see enrollment options. There are 2 enrollment options. Either you can do this free course without a certificate, and if you want a professional certificate, you have to pay a small fee. To enroll for this course, click on Join for Free. Then you have to sign up using your full name, your email address and your password. Or you can sign in using your Google account or your Facebook account. After signing up, you will be redirected to this form. In this form, you can add in your work experience, your education, and your career goals. Or you can skip this step by clicking on Skip. And after clicking on Skip, you will be redirected back to the Fundamentals of Social Media Advertising page. Click on Enroll for Free, starts 4th September. You will get a free trial for 7 days with free full access. You can either complete the course in 7 days with full access. Just click on Enroll for Free to start your course. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that you find this video helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.